Today we go inside a smartphone recycling plant to see how mountains of electronic waste are transformed into valuable metals and materials. Each incoming pallet is weighed and scanned, linking its contents to a digital record so the plant can track material.
For devices that will not be reused, secure shredders destroy both the phone and its data, guaranteeing privacy before any material recovery begins.
Lower it into the vermiculite, gently now.
Secure. I've logged the serial number.
A second shredding step breaks phone housings and frames into small pieces, creating a mix stream that is ready for automated mechanical separation.
Magnetic separators pull out ferrous metals like steel from the mix stream, leaving lighter plastics and non-magnetic materials to move on to the next stage.
Eddy current separators use changing magnetic fields to push non-ferrous metals into a separate trajectory, cleanly dividing them from.
Once circuit boards are reduced to fine powder, they become a uniform feedstock that is easy to measure, transport, and treat.
In these tanks, carefully controlled chemical solutions dissolve gold, copper, and other metals from the ground boards.
Filter presses separate solid metal bearing paste from the spent liquid, creating dense cakes that can be dried and melted into new metal products. As the metal solidifies into bars, each ingot is marked, tested, and sorted, turning anonymous waste
Not every device is destroyed. Units that still power on and pass diagnostics are routed to reuse and
The adjustment brought the energy curve right into the optimal range.
Safety parameters confirmed. Everything is holding steady.
Excellent. Let's maintain this.
Every year, plants like this turn discarded smartphones into fresh metal and plastic, closing the loop between the